Hey developers, so in this video I'm going to share how you can use Google Fonts in Tailwind CSS. So as you might know that Tailwind has released a new version and there are some breaking changes in the new version. So things are a bit confusing when it comes to themes configuration. So we are going to use Google Fonts. So I'm currently having a React application and I have installed Tailwind CSS and now let's go to fonts.google.com. And here you can find all the fonts you want to use. So let's scroll down and find the Poppins because that's one of my favorite fonts. So here are the Poppins and click on them, and here you have to click on get font. Here you will find get embed code. So on this page you have to click on add import radio button. So once you click on this one, you can find this link and you just have to copy this link. Now let's copy this link and let's go back to our code. As you can see, I'm having app.tsx. Let me zoom in my screen. So let's go to index.css and here is our tailwind at import statement. So on the top of it, you have to paste whatever you have copied from the Google Fonts. So let's paste that. So now we have successfully imported the Google Fonts, but how we are going to use that? So let's save this file and let's go to Tailwind CSS documentation, and here you have to search for font family. So font family and click on this one. So here you just have to scroll down and here you will find this line. So just copy this object, add theme, and go back to the index.css and here you have to paste that. So instead of this display, you can use the font name. So let's say Poppins, and in the value you have to paste the font name. So let's copy the font name. So this is Poppins. Let's copy this one and let's paste this one here. So now we have successfully imported and we have configured our fonts as Poppins. So let's go to app.tsx and let's try to use those fonts. So let's say font Poppins and let's save this file and let's go back to the browser. As you can see, I have successfully used Poppin fonts, and now let's change the heading to the Poppins fonts as well. So let's go to the heading and you can add Poppins, font Poppins, and if you save this file, the fonts in the heading are also changed. So in the next video, I will share how you can use your custom fonts if you have downloaded a TTF file or any other file extension that is supported in CSS. So watch the next video if you have downloaded the fonts from a website.